Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering your PRN or SSS number, a clear ID image, and a working email and mobile. Once done, open My SSS and sign in with your credentials. Make sure two-factor OTP is available if your account uses it. If you don't have an account, register using your PRN and valid ID details, then verify email. Now that you're authenticated, navigate directly to your profile area. This is where you'll begin changing personal information. You'll now enter the profile personal information section and choose the field to update, like name, address, or contact number. As you edit, input details exactly as they appear on your supporting ID. Mismatches slow verification. When asked, attach scan documents or photos. Use PDF or JPG, good resolution, and proper file names. Once uploads complete, add short remarks if prompted to explain changes. Then preview every field carefully, so there are no transcription errors. Finish by reviewing the summary and hitting submit. Record the transaction reference you're given. After submission, monitor your email and SMS for verification updates or requests for more documents. Processing can take days. If the office approves, changes reflect automatically. If they ask for corrections, act promptly. Troubleshooting tip: if a request is rejected, make sure uploaded files are clear, names match exactly, and file sizes meet limits, then reupload. If issues persist, contact SSS support quoting your reference number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.